If you're watching this, thank you for sticking by and don't forget to like and leave a comment. Today, I'll be showing you how to make 4 different types of sandwiches. The first sandwich we'll be making is a PB&J sandwich. For this, you're going to need white bread or whatever bread you have at hand. I'm using white bread because it makes this recipe easier to replicate and you can literally find white bread at any store. A great tip is to microwave the peanut butter and jam before using it for about 1 minute so it's easier to spread on the bread. Transfer this to a heated pan or toaster and flip until both sides are golden brown. You will definitely enjoy it this way. Our second sandwich is a fan favorite. It's a yummy beef sandwich, but it's not just any beef, it's soya. We're going to need a very special sauce for this, so we'll have to make that first. For the sauce, you'll need some garlic, milk, mayo, ketchup, honey, and pepper. Add all of this into a blender for a smooth consistency.
All the lovely things we plan to do today.
third sandwich is an egg sandwich. I guess you can call this my take on the famous Eggslut sandwich using ingredients I had in my pantry. What I would say though, it takes patience, but I promise you, it's really, really good. For the sauce, I'm using plain mayonnaise, black pepper, some salt, and cayenne pepper for that Nigerian heat. The last recipe is a smoked chicken sandwich. I love this recipe because you don't have to cook chicken from the scratch. Just heat up some smoked chicken, debone it, and you're ready to assemble. Nobody likes soggy sandwiches or having the fillings slip out while you're eating. So let me show you how to extract moisture from your fillings to prevent that from happening. The secret tool here is a paper towel. Place the tomato slices on the paper towel and press down to extract the tomato juice so it doesn't drip down or even worse, start slipping. There you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed the sandwiches and you get to try them. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment. Let me know which sandwich was your favorite and if the tips were helpful. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.